Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm going to show a quick overview of the new Teams features for lcl.host. lcl.host is the best way to set up HTTPS in your development environment. You can use it to squash mixed content bugs, find CORS issues, and much more. Team-wide setup means that one person can set up the app, and then everyone on the team gets HTTPS in their development environment, thanks to a dedicated CA hosted for free by Anchor. Let's jump in and see how it works. I'm going to set up this local Python app with lcl.host. I've already created my organization in Anchor and invited my teammate Wes, so I'm ready to get going. I can start by running the anchor lcl command. That's going to first install the CA certificates for my organization's development CA into my system. Then I can go ahead and enter some service config so that we get certificates provisioned for http://bin.lcl.host. I'm going to choose Acme as the provisioning style. I've already gone through and followed the instructions on the right, so I'm ready to run anchor LCL one more time. This time it's going to set up my local environment so that I have the right credentials to provision certificates for http://bin.lcl.host. I'll go ahead and copy those into my local .env environment and restart my server. And this time when the server starts, it's going to provision a certificate, and then we can see it works. Now I'll restart the server, and this time the server will start and provision a certificate for http://bin.lcl.host. And now it's listening over HTTPS instead of HTTP. Now that it's working in my development environment, I'm going to commit these changes to a branch and push them up so that my coworker Wes can pull them down and start using HTTPS on his machine. Wes is now ready to set up HTTPS on his system. He's going to start by checking out the new Git branch that includes an anchor.toml config file, and he's going to run anchor LCL. This is going to install the same organization CA certificates into his development system, and then he can skip straight to setting up his environment so he can provision certificates. Once he's set up his environment, he can restart his server. It'll start up, provision a certificate for http://bin.lcl.host, and now he's running HTTPS in his local development environment as well. So that's how easy it is to set up HTTPS for your entire team's development environment. It's totally free for your team to use. Give it a try at lcl.host today.